folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Well, folks, today we're going to be talking about this I'm going to talk about this EverSmart Max. Now, if you know about me and you watch a little bit of my tool, I guess I'll call it tool, maybe I'll call it tool series on the Harrison Repairs. I'm a person that thinks you should have stuff that if you drive a car, you should have some stuff that you can, like, you can jump, this one can jump our car battery if we needed to, and that's what we got it for. The problem is, the time we got it, we didn't know our battery actually needed to be replaced, but at least we have it now, so if we do need to do that, we can. So I may not be able to show it now, but I do have an emergency, just repair, like roadside emergency kit in my car. You know, simple things like jumper cables. You know, you can buy these kits at Walmart. I think anywhere where they sell tools and stuff, you could probably look and see if they have one. I know Walmart has one. I know probably Harbor Freight would be another one that I would say has one. You know, would have a kit, stuff like that. So it's nice to have this for your car emergency needs. And if you know me, I'm one of those people that sees the needs and trying to have stuff that you can do without having, not saying that your friends won't do it, but your friends may not be able to do it right then and there. Or, you know, it's nice that you can have some control over yourself and learn and do this stuff yourself. So, anyway, this is called EverSmart Max. There's other ones that are probably out there. This is the one we got. It was at the store. It does other things. It's a huge battery deal. It will jump our car battery. And you got to read up on these to make sure it will, and figure out the information you need. We did, and this one will. So it's a 3.1 amp for the USB. There's USB, which actually is nice. This also could double. This is another reason why I like this. Not just for car, but if we have power outage, this will double as charging our phones and stuff and other battery needs. So it's not just for car. So for emergency, if you want a small emergency, and you're like, oh man, if you keep this plugged in, when the power goes out, we have another one we keep plugged in, not this one, but we have a different battery thing that we bought before this that we keep plugged in for emergencies that will charge phones, and actually I think it even runs a small computer, like laptop and stuff. So anyway, yeah, it's kind of nice. It's actually not just kind of nice, it's really nice to have these for not just your car, but for your emergency needs if the power goes out, because it does charge phones and USB electronics. Okay, so what else is there to say about it? It's EverSmart Max. It's just a big battery that you can jump your car. There's your on and it's off, but there's your on switch. It may not work right now because I think I need to charge it. It did work with the light did come on, so but I think it's not high enough on juice yet. And then here's your protection thing for your plug-in. You just, because they know you're going to take it outside, so it's nice to try to keep, if you can, to keep moisture away, especially if you're doing this in the rain. Here's your, you know, here's your positive and negative stuff in the back here. So, so you can jump your car battery. Hold on, let me see, that didn't go on very well, did it? Oh, there we go. Now it's fixed. But there you are. It's a nice kit. I mean, I'll be honest. This is something. Even if I don't use it for a car and stuff, I could use it, like I said, for emergency because of the USB. So it doesn't just do the car thing. It is made to do the car thing, but it doesn't just do that. So there you go. This is the kit. It's pretty heavy duty. I like it. It's just kind of, it's not out in the open, obviously. It's just stored where my woman stores her purse, but underneath that. So anyway, but I hope you enjoyed this look at this EverSmart. There's not much to say about it except that it's a big battery to help jump your car. It's nice to have, and you just keep it plugged in most of the time, I would say all the time until you need it, and you unplug it and go use it, and then plug it back in. And then you have it also for your emergencies. If you can't buy a full generator, this won't be a generator, but this will be able to help you for a little bit, at least keep your phone going and whatever else you need to charge, so that until hopefully your power comes back on. Hopefully it's a short time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave with some closing thoughts, and I'll see you guys next time. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos. And it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.